Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Fedex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fedex website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login/sign up button at the top right corner and then proceed with logging into your account using your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will be able to see your username in place of the sign in or sign up button. Go ahead and click on this and then click on My Profile. You will now be taken into your profile page, from which you can click on Login and Security in order to change your password. Now underneath login information, click on the Edit button and now you will be allowed to change your password. Go ahead and type in your current password first and then enter your desired new password underneath. You can then enter this new password once again within the Confirm New Password box, and after entering your desired new password twice, click on the Save Changes button. Once you click on Save Changes, your password will immediately be changed, and now you will be able to log into your account using your new password in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Fedex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.